Hey everyone, IKnowGadgets here, bringing you our picks for the 5 best dash cams for 2023. A good dash cam can be your eyewitness on the road and protect you in case of an accident. I tested out all the latest models, and these are the top 5 that will capture crisp video, automatically save clips, and give you peace of mind when driving. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Rexing V1. This compact cam records in 1080p HD with a wide-angle 170-degree lens. It has night vision and a discreet design that tucks behind your rearview mirror. The Rexing V1 auto-saves clips in case of a crash and has a parking monitor feature. Get this basic, budget-friendly dash cam for under $100. Coming in at number 4 is the feature-packed Vantrue N2 Pro. It has a Sony sensor for excellent video quality even when driving at night. The unique thing about this cam is it records the road in front of you and inside your car at the same time, so you have full coverage. It withstands extreme temps and automatically saves recordings in an emergency. Our bronze medalist is the ultra-compact Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. It packs full HD 1080p video into a tiny discreet package. The 140-degree field of view captures your entire windshield. With the Garmin Drive app, you can sync recordings over Wi-Fi. Voice control makes it easy to save clips on the go. Check my links to order the Mini 2 direct from Garmin. Runner-up for second place is the Nextbase 622G. This 4K dashcam delivers amazingly sharp, stutter-free footage. It has built-in Alexa, so you can record, save footage, and more hands-free. With emergency SOS and crash detection, it instantly sends your location to emergency services if needed. And the best dash cam for 2023 is the Thinkware U1000. This high-end cam has a groundbreaking 4K front camera and 2K rear camera, so you capture the full picture. With advanced driver assistance features like forward collision and lane departure warnings, it keeps you safe. The compact design tucks away behind your mirror. Click my links to get the U1000 at the best price. That rounds out our top dash cam picks for 2023. Protect yourself on the road and give me a shout if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to IKnowGadgets. Thanks for watching.